guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for always clicking back and watching my videos. So guys, today I'll take you through how to buy shares, Safaricom shares, any type of shares using your phone, guys. Just like you can buy crypto using Binance, you have to have a Binance account to buy crypto. So there is an app on Play Store that you can use to create a CDS account. A CDS account is a central depository system that keeps track of your shares, and you can use that account to buy and sell shares. So guys, I'll take you through the process of creating an account with that app, a CDS account that is, and I'll also show you how to buy shares. So without wasting time guys, let's get into the video. So welcome back guys. You'll first go to Play Store and download that app, and on Play Store type in AIB DigiTrader and search. I already installed the app, so I'll just open, but if you have not installed, you'll have to install and click open. After opening guys, you'll see this. If you have an account, you'll input your username and password, but for now guys, we'll assume we don't have an account and click on open new trade account. We'll click start and we'll have to input our personal details. So I'll choose Miss. For my first name, I'll put Bellah. For my surname, I'll put Tetras. You don't have to put a space, so we'll delete that and it will be okay. Date of birth, I'll choose the year of birth and the date and click OK. I'll choose my nationality. I'm Kenyan, so I'll just click OK. I'll input my email, phone number. I'll put my national ID number. Already have a CDS account. I'll click yes if I have, but for this tutorial I'll click no. For the referral code guys, put this code. So guys, you can go through it and everything is already in place, so click next. So guys, after clicking next, we continue with the process. So we'll have to change the gender. We'll click female. Type your city or town. I'll type Nairobi. Postal code, county Nairobi. So I'll then click next. For the bank details, you can choose to use the bank or M-Pesa. I'm choosing M-Pesa because that's easier. And click next because you don't need to input your account number, branch and bank. So click next. For the username, choose a name you like. So I'll choose a username. I'll choose Bellah. This name is already taken. I'll choose a different name. Demeter. It's okay. Password, I'll choose a password. Confirm the password. Then click next. All these are optional, so I'll just click I agree. They are optional, so I'll agree and click create an account. Your request for opening, that was fast. So if you input that name I used Demeter and the password, you log in, you'll be given the account, but it's closed. You'll have to wait for at least 24 hours. You'll get an email. On that email you had given that email address telling you your account is this, your whatever. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial on how to create a CDS account. So please stay till the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to buy and sell shares. So please subscribe to my channel. Stop being that selfish. Click that subscribe button to support me and I'll be so grateful. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, on my next video I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about shares, so please subscribe. For those who have subscribed, I'm so grateful, and let's continue with the video. So guys, welcome back. On how to buy shares, guys, you'll go to the watch list. On the watch list, guys, you are showed all the securities and the prices they are offering per share. So guys, you'll choose the share you want to buy. Maybe, for example, you might choose Safaricom. Safaricom is abbreviated as SCOM. This one here, SCOM. So you'll click you'll click it. After clicking the Safaricom security, after clicking it, guys, you'll be taken to this face here where you are showed the bid price, the ask price, and the ask quantity. For the bid price, these are the offers people are buying, and the ask price, this is the offers the people are selling. So guys, when you scroll down, you'll be showed the chart. The chart shows you either if the market is an uptrend or a downtrend, guys. So we will click buy if we want to buy. For this tutorial, we'll click buy. After clicking buy, guys, you will be shown a few stuff here. For example, here we are being shown 6,900 shares are being sold at 16 shillings, of which if you buy all these shares, you'll pay this amount. So guys, you can change the amount of shares you want to buy. You are advised to buy at least 100 shares. You can buy at this market price, or you can change it to the price you want to buy it with, but I'll advise you leave it at the market price so that you can buy the share instantly. But if you want to change, you can still also change. You are given a limit. You should not pass 14.40 or you should not exceed 17.50. So you can write maybe 15.09, 15.9. But it's good to stick on the market price so that the purchase can be instantly. After changing everything you want to change, you click buy. So guys, if you have less funds in your account, you'll have to go to your funds and click deposit. After clicking deposit, you can use M-Pesa or bank transfer. I use M-Pesa, so you'll write here your number. You'll write there your number, the amount you want to deposit, then you'll click deposit. And the transaction will be successful instantly. So guys, after some time, the money reflected on my account. So it's just that easy. And the withdrawal process is the same. You'll come here, write the amount you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw it through M-Pesa or anything, mostly I'll be using M-Pesa, remark everything, and you click withdraw. It has transaction cost, so you have to write at least lesser than the amount you have there. So guys, you can try buying KPLC shares. After clicking on KPLC, you'll still see the same things you have seen on Safaricom. You'll scroll down, you'll still see the same thing that was on Safaricom. You can click buy. You'll still follow the procedure I've used with Safaricom, and after everything is complete, as I had said in Safaricom, you'll click buy. So guys, it's just that simple, and it applies on all the shares. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful, and bye till we meet next time on my next upload. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more. On my next upload, guys, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about shares. So guys, bye till we meet next time on my next upload.